here, they hear that, so, you know, they get that sensation. So
It's always here in the hallway?
it's always in the hallway. If you were to come sometimes or you visit me, maybe it would happen to you. But most of the people that do come up here, they don't know what it is. They just ignore it and they just walk up. Because we've had promoters come up. What's that?
So I had a heart attack here in the offices of the brother's dog, right? They
Yeah.
to work every day, and the guy had died.
I don't know. She just said that what happened is that when the man passed away, they had took the dog to the pound over here off a mission, and then when the dog died in spirit, he come back. That was the only place that he would, you know,